Grand total is soaking wet. Getting too old for it. Real quick tip. It's probably some rare poisonous butterfly. Those things are not light. I can tell you that for sure. Getting rained out. Lord. Oh well. That's how it is out here.
Put some handles on it, just lift it back up. You run the string that way, you sit it around for the post on it, or you know you can knock over 2 inches.
Yeah, I'd go all day. We didn't put any rock in there. Hang on. It's heavy. Golly. How you doing, boy? Getting too old for it. It must like the salt on my sweat or something. It's probably some rare poisonous butterfly. And I'll probably break out in a rash tomorrow. These butterflies just follow me everywhere. There's 4 or 5 of them down here just following me everywhere I go. Huh. I don't know, if somebody knows what kind of butterfly that is, drop it in the comments. Alright buddy, I gotta get back to work. Real quick tip. You out in the middle of nowhere, anywhere to wash your hands, you got a bottle of water, take you a screw or something sharp. This way you don't waste a bunch of water. Put some holes in it. Look at that. Wash your hands right off. Look at that. Well, you ain't wasted a bunch of water. Look at that. Look at all that left. My hands are clean. Get it, that mouse. You get a mouse. You find a friend. Huh? Get that mouse. What that little mouse doing? Huh? Is that your buddy? Soaking wet. I might stop here in a minute. Snuck right up on me. I don't think it's gonna rain that long, but I'm soaking wet. Man. This is just an update of the expenses thus far on this tiny crooked hobbit house build, but I'm going to give you the rundown of what I've spent up to this point, so let's get it going. Had to buy some screws, 2 boxes of those. All of the lumber for this was donated by Larry. He and I cut it on the sawmill up there, but I did have to pay for some gas to run the sawmill. The telephone poles were given to me by Larry. Had to cut them and get them over here. The concrete I had to pay for as well, and everything's concreted in here. I also had to pay Harold to help me square this thing up and kind of get these boards across here. So 15 bags of concrete, $6 a pop, that's 90 bucks. The screws are about 240 bucks. Diesel for my tractor, I just put some diesel in it, so that's 40 bucks. Gas for the generator, $15. Harold, 150. I bought some rocks over here too. That's kind of where we're at. The grand total at this point is $625. Concrete, screws, diesel, gas, paying Harold, some of those rocks over there, and 30 bucks for, I can't remember what else was that was for, but the total was $625. Next phase is I'm building these walls, and I'm getting ready to put those up, and those will be on the next video. Now, if you have any ideas or comments or suggestions, maybe how I could do something better, something different, or a feature that I should add, drop them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. The other thing too is it's going to be a crooked looking house, so I've kind of modified what I'm doing. I think it's going to be easier to make square walls and then build some facades. So that's something that I'm going to experiment with, but one side will be higher than the other. There'll definitely be some crooked looking things on it, crooked windows, crooked door, all custom made by probably me and Harold and maybe Larry. Things are going to slowly start to evolve here, but we're at this phase right here, and this wall is getting ready to go up, and you'll see that in the next videos. So that's pretty much it. $625, I would say, is a pretty good deal at this point. I probably saved, I don't know, maybe $1,000 at this point if I had to cut the whole lumber package. So that's where we're at. Hit like, subscribe, appreciate it. See ya. Must like the salt on my sweat or something.